Good morning and welcome to the elementary version of TNN. Today is Monday, February 7th, and I hope you're ready to have a great day and an even more fantastic week. Some activities that are going on this week. Our boys and girls varsity basketball teams play in the region tournament Monday, Tuesday, and again on Friday. This tournament is being held at Mount DeSales in downtown Macon. Other activities that are ongoing. Our first grade is on a field trip to Tatnall Square Baptist Church, where they spread the good word that Jesus Christ is our Savior. Also Wednesday, we will have split chapel beginning at 9:45. Our speaker is one of our favorites, P.J. Flores. We also have birthdays coming up in the last week and also this week. They are Matthew Farmer, February 2nd, Benjamin Stubbs, February 3rd, Braylon Martin, February 4th, Russ Jacobs, February 4th, and Travis Webb, February 4th. Luke Tetters is February the 6th. Destin Mack is February the 7th. McGee Isgett is February the 9th. And Roland Bryant is February the 9th. Bo Hatchers is February the 10th. And Gracie Ward is February the 11th. So happy birthday to all you elementary students who have birthdays in February. Our word of the month for February is responsibility. The definition would be showing you can be trusted with what is expected of you. Our Bible verse this month is whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. That comes from Luke 16, verse 10a. Boys and girls, I want you to repeat that with me. We'll go on the count of three. Our Bible verse for this month is 1, 2, and let's go 3. Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. Luke 16:10a. Very good, boys and girls. The last thing I'd like to say is this is an exciting time for Tatnall Square Elementary School with being able to do this closed circuit newscast for the first time. And I've received many requests from you about what we should name this. And I'd like you to send your request to me or Miss Joyner by Friday, and we'll pick a winner on next week's show. So until we see you again, this is Mr. Kosader saying, I hope you have a great day and an even more fantastic week.